Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Layered with Lace. This is a monthly bralette subscription. If you haven't tried a bralette, they're super comfortable. So this is $16 a month, but I do have a promo code that takes off $6. So if you want to try it, it only costs you $10 for your first bag. Now everyone gets the same one every month. And they do give you a sneak peek on their Instagram if you want to see ahead of time, because if it's like a style or color or something you don't want, you can't actually skip that month. So I like that they have that option, and you can cancel at any time. This is a really pretty color. So this is the back of it. It has a really cool like shoulder. It's all lacy and then it's cut open in the back. Very pretty. And then here is the front. That's super cute. So I know that these have been trending for a while, but I just bought my first one probably about 2 months ago, and it is so comfortable. It's so soft. Definitely love it. And there's a tag on here. Spread the love. For every picture you post using hashtag Layered with Lace, we will donate $1 to breast cancer research. Together we can make a difference. That's really cool. And this one is a large. When you sign up, you just pick a size, small, medium, or large. And they sent you one. Very cool. Love it. So if you guys would like to try it, I will leave all their information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.